Vauxhall Corsa is back as the best-selling car in the UK. What are the advantages? Vauxhall Motors, the British car manufacturer which is the parent of the Opel brand owned by Stellantis, reported a significant increase in sales of the Vauxhall Corsa in the UK during August. The Vauxhall Corsa has again topped the car sales rankings in August according to the latest new car registration data published by the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, SMMT. The Corsa is the best-selling B-Class hatchback, small car, and is ranked second best-selling overall in the UK this year, with sales of 25,692 units. Meanwhile, the Corsa electric variant will remain the best-selling small electric car, electric B-hatch, throughout 2023, with sales of 2,220 units this year. In a company release on September 5, Vauxhall said it would become a pure electric car brand by 2028, or 7 years earlier than the deadline set by the British government. It is very encouraging to see Corsa continue to excel in the list of sales for both electric and petrol variants. The success of the Corsa Electric is proof of our commitment to pioneering the transition to electrification in the UK, said James Taylor, managing director of Vauxhall. Why is the Vauxhall Corsa popular in the UK? Vauxhall has long had a reputation as a reliable brand in the UK. Previously more popular among boys, it is now increasingly popular among all genders and is often a safe and reliable first car choice. Even quoted from Warrington Worldwide, there is a survey which shows that compared to other well-known brands, this brand is above the average for other manufacturers in terms of reliability. In fact, when the kilometers have passed 160,000 kilometers, the car is without many problems. In addition, there are also many choices of models offered, including electric cars, but the main thing is a matter of realistic prices. And the Corsa and Astra from Vauxhall are the two most popular car choices in the UK. Meanwhile, the latest Corsa Electric has undergone quite big changes, with a new 51st generation Vauxhall motor and battery with a range of up to 395 km, WLTP, with prices starting from £19,625 or around 377 million Indonesian rupiahs and first deliveries at the end of 2023.